Due to planned growth, ZRG Partners is looking for several new business development professionals for our client, Total Fleet Solutions, or TFS specifically. TFS is a private equity-backed company with a truly unique value proposition in the material handling outsourcing and fleet management market. TFS is the largest provider of brand-independent fleet management and outsourcing services, specializing in driving cost savings and efficiencies in forklift fleets and related material handling equipment assets for Fortune 1000 and other large manufacturing and distribution companies. Through better fleet management, TFS generates life cycle cost savings in excess of 25% on their customers' material handling spending. While there are other players in fleet management in areas such as auto and trucking, no one focuses on material handling alone. This is the sweet spot for TFS as the expert in brand-independent material handling solutions. The growth possibilities for the next 5 years are amazing for personal income and career opportunities to take on increased responsibilities. There is no cold calling, and sales efforts are driven by demand through marketing efforts, and then close client management to maximize relationships over time. TFS is looking for account managers and executives who have mastered a consultative approach to sales. Account managers must display a proven track record with a minimum of 3 years of experience. Account executives need to be more tenured with more than 10 years of experience. The role will be located in the TFS Detroit area branch office, as well as spending time with the senior team in Toledo, Ohio. The positions provide a solid compensation offering that will match the success to be achieved in the business. Base salaries are typically $75,000 for account managers and $100,000 for account executives. Average team members are earning $200,000 to $250,000 per year, with strong recurring revenues building each year. Initial interviews for these opportunities will be with ZRG Partners. To begin the application process, please contact Larry Hartman or Linda Gersh at zrgpartners.com.